Instead of, well, I'm big boned is what I used to tell myself when I was 38 pounds heavier. No, I was freaking fat. That's what I was, right? But I'd say I was big bone. I have the same bones, and I'm 38 pounds lighter, and I've stayed this way for 35 years, right? But when I had that mindset, it got in the way. So you have to say, here's where I am, here's where I want to be, and you have to be honest. It's not where I want to be. It's uncomfortable. But then the second part is you got to uncover, face the truth, what has gotten in the way in the past. And there's only 5 things usually. Fear of failure, fear of success, fear of unknown, fear of not looking good, fear of all those things. Or 2, a limiting belief, like I've tried everything. Once you believe that, you don't even try anything anymore. Someone trying to lose weight, that's the common one they'll say, because they've tried a bunch of things that didn't work. Or all the good ones are gone,
Right.
All right. Or they're gay and I'm not, or I'm gay and they're not, or whatever the story is. There's a story, a belief system that limits them, and so it keeps them from maximizing their ability. Third thing that could have gotten in the way, some other emotion, overwhelm, stress, anger, resentment. Those things just shut down your progress. So you'd have to make a change. Fourth thing that it could be for you, well, it could really be that you just got some bad habits. It's like people, about 52% of what most people do in a day, and I don't know where they come up with these stats, some say 48, some say 52, roughly half, is on automated. It's habit. You're not even thinking, right?
That's for sure.
And what's good about that is you don't think about driving your car. What's bad about that is you get stuck doing the same things over and over, thinking the same thoughts, having the same feelings, not really changing. So you have to say, oh, there's some habits that need to change. I want to lose 24 pounds, and my first thing in the morning is go to Starbucks and have a mocha, whatever, and it's just, you're not going to get there. You have to have a different set of habits.